Good afternoon. Escambia County now tying an all-time high in the number of people hospitalized with COVID-19. Channel 3's April Baker breaks down the numbers and reveals what Baptist CEO Mark Faulkner is saying about the surge.
For the second day in a row, 291 people are now in the hospital for COVID-19.
We are experiencing our highest levels of inpatient hospitalizations since the beginning of this pandemic. So when you think about that, 10 months and we're still yet, hitting our peak.
Baptist President and CEO Mark Faulkner talked about the number of hospitalizations and if that rising number means the cases are more severe.
We do have a few arrows in our quiver that we didn't have in March, like remdesivir, dexamethasone, and other medications that help, but there is no silver bullet. So our physicians evaluate the condition and determine, is hospitalization required or can they be managed at home? Again, trying to manage the overall utilization. And because of that, I would say that we're probably seeing a higher acuity of the patients that do require hospitalization, both in the normal med-surg rooms as well as in intensive care.
Faulkner says his hospital, as well as Ascension, Sacred Heart, and West Florida, are all managing through this spike, but are concerned about the trend. He tells Channel 3 they aren't immune to the pressures and stress this puts on our local healthcare systems.
It's been 10 months, and I know there's fatigue, exhaustion. We're encouraged because we know an end is in sight with the vaccine, but yeah, when you see it and live it every day, and you see what's happening to the patients and their health conditions and the mortality associated with it, it kind of wears you down.
Faulkner says despite all this, the community can be confident in their ability to care for them.